Emily from the education team. Today, we're making sculptures from things you can find in your recycling bin, inspired by art made from glass. Before we begin, let's check out some examples of studio glass in the museum's collection. Artists use glass in many creative ways. Let's focus on form and color. These are Ruba rhombic faces by Reuben Haley. Do you see how the sides are made up of angled geometric shapes? He was influenced by Cubist paintings. While each face is a single color, pink, deep green, and light brown, the angled planes and how they catch the light create lots of variety. These sculptures are by Dominic Lubino. He actually thought of himself as an inventor rather than an artist. These hot-worked glass pieces are abstract forms. Notice how the layers of color draw your eye around the sculpture, and how he captured an air bubble in the middle of each one. Lubino liked pushing his technique. He's quoted as saying, "If there's no challenge, there's no fun. And colors are a challenge. There's no end to them. I'm still working on colors." In this piece by Dale Chihuly, the artist goes wild with color, with red, orange, yellow, and blue bulbous forms and curling twists of blown glass projecting from a central axis. Over 200 individual pieces, no two alike, were arranged one at a time to make this sculpture. Now, let's get started. For this project, you'll need plastic containers, scissors, colorful tape, and Sharpie markers. You can also add stickers if you have them. Start with your largest container as a base and start building. Use tape to attach smaller pieces to the top, sides, or even the inside. If a piece doesn't work as is, shape it with scissors. Play with making marks with the tape. If you have stickers, you can use them to attach pieces or as decoration. Add color with permanent markers. When you're finished, display your sculpture in front of a window to catch the light and show it off. Thanks for joining me, and have fun making your own glass sculpture.